Another topic we are having the pH scale. What is pH scale? This is basically the electrical instrument. Okay, it's instrument, or you can say that this is a meter, which basically tell about the potential of the hydrogen ion plus OH ion in a solution. Let's talk how. So pH scale is about 0 to 14. 0 to 14. 0 to 14. 7 is neutral, as you guys all know. No acidic, no basic nature in the solution. This is neutral. If we talk about 0 to 6, this condition we are calling as if the pH of any solution is between 0 to 6, so we are calling the solution as a acidic. If the pH is 8 to 14, we are calling that as a basic, which means hydrogen ion, which means OH ion, or you can say acidic or alkaline. So if the hydrogen ion plus OH ions are basically equal, we're calling that as a neutral condition. Okay, if the pH is greater than 7, which is alkaline. If the pH is less than 7, then the solution is acidic. And pH is a neutral, which means that OH and the potential of OH and the hydroxide ions are equal. If we talk about, we can also write here that hydrogen ion is having less concentration than the OH, we are calling that the basic. If we are having OH ions are basically having the less concentration than the hydrogen, so we are calling that as this is a basic and this is the acidic. Okay, 14 is basically the strong alkaline, and you can say that 0 to 1 to 3, this is the strong acid. And if the pH is on 14, which means strong basic. We are having the mild things like 1 2 3. If the pH is 1 2 3, we are calling that as a strong acid. If the pH is about 3 4, we are calling it a mild acidic solution. If the pH is like 4 5 6, like 5 6, we are calling as a weak acid. If the pH is 8 9, we are calling as a weak base. If the pH is 10 11 12, we are calling it a mild base, and 13 14 as a strong base. Likewise here too. Okay, so next I'm gonna telling you guys is that we are having a pH paper on the basis of color. What does it mean? It means that we are having pH paper on the basis of the color. We are having the 7 colors. We are calling it the VIBGYOR. What is VIBGYOR? These are the colors. Okay, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Okay, if the color is red to yellow, we are calling it as acidic. If the color is red, orange, yellow, we are calling it an acidic solution. If the color is blue, indigo, violet, so we are calling it a basic solution. And if we are having the hydrogen, as you guys all know, that this is the sour test, and here we are having the basic, as we are having a bitter test. Okay, so here the acidic color are these, and these are the basic colors. If we talk about green is the neutral color. If the solution is green, which means the solution is neutral, which means there is no hydrogen ions, no OH ions. You can take the example of the NaCl, which is a salt. They are having no hydrogen ion, no OH ions, so NaCH is what? Neutral. And they are having no hydrogen ion, no OH ions, so their color will be the green. For example, blue plus yellow is making a green, which is neutral. You can write here that if the solution is red, so which means there is hydrogen ions are more and OH ions are less. Or you can say that pH is basically less than 7. You can take either, and the red color is showing the acidic. If I said that the solution is basically blue violet in color, you can say this the solution is basic. So this was about the pH scale and the pH paper on the basis of the color. Okay, if the hydrogen ion are more, so we are calling as a acidic. If the OH ions is more, we are calling as a basic. If both are equal, we are calling as a neutral. This was on the basis of pH on the basis of color. This was about the pH scale.